Hey guys, it's George from Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at, the Walt Disney World Swan Reserve. What is great at Swan Reserve is right near it's a dolphin.
Swan and Dolphin.
Swan and Dolphin, which are across the street. Hence, Swan Reserve. So, this is the hotel. Just really a cool looking building. We have never been here.
Never.
So come on, time to go find out what we can find out. We're gonna go through the roundy round doors because they're just cool. We're gonna do it all together. Here we go, 3 of us. Oh, dear God, help me. Here we go. In, quick. Roundy round doors. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Lobby, okay, lobby opens up. Little sitting area, right? Oh, this is awesome. There's our friendly front desk people. Hi, front desk people.
Oh, escalators.
Escalators. And we've got to go up. So obviously they have their standard water. Now, up we go, guys. First cool thing. Cool ceiling. Oh, by the way, the partners in crime are here.
Hi, hello.
Heidi and Kenzie are here to have some fun. So here we go. Now, do we know what's at the top of this escalator? No, that's the fun. Now, the Swan Reserve is a Marriott property on Disney property. So, if you are a Bonvoy, which is oh, never mind. Let me stop talking. This is neat. So, come at the top of the thing. Gee, surprise! Really cool bar area.
There's a Mickey over there.
And we're gonna go over and check out the Mickey. With all this, which is just really kind of cool looking. And okay, you don't see this every. Oh wow! Look, check this out, guys. Got a little nice little seating area. And how often do you have a full-size peacock on the wall? Never, right? So we'll come out this way. Okay, we were wondering if it just stopped. Now look, yeah, we all like this place. Look how nice. There's little nooches to sit in, have your drinks and relax. All right. And then they have Brown's Coffee, which is down in here. And so we kind of have your standard snacks, gourmet sandwiches, salads, drinks. And then of course you forgot your stuff where you came in. And then in the case, man, this is where it is. And here's now, since you are in Disney, they have Mickey Waffle. How cool is that? And then they have a coffee menu. And then obviously the iced coffee menu. And then obviously last but not least the specialty. But let's head out, because look. And here's the pool area, so we're gonna go check that out next, guys. Let's start taking a look. We're gonna head out. Now this just has a really nice vibe, right guys? Okay, all right, so you got all the seating back in here, right? And obviously another bar. At night, there's probably a very hopping place to be with seeing. Really done well. Gotta show you guys the pool area real quick. So there's the pool area. And if you look back in that corner, they have the cabanas. Obviously for extra money. So that's the pool area. And we'll come back this way because the rest, some of these rooms are here, I think actually have access directly to the pool, which is really kind of cool. So we're gonna walk back in. I think there's one thing we want to end on is that one thing we saw. Yeah,
Breezy day here.
you guys aren't hearing this on the feed. It's breezy and a little chilly for Florida.
Yeah.
All right, so heading back in.
Long live January weather.
Okay. Let's go see one other thing, and then we're gonna say bye while we get ready. We're going to Fantasia Golf. So we're going back through where we came back through. Here's another view of the area, which is really kind of a neat space. And then come back past the Peacock. And then look what they got. This is what I would call a not so hidden Mickey, right? And then if you look out, that's a great view of the hotel. So
That's the Swan.
that's the Swan. Go across the street.
And then
And come through here. Not as good of a view, but you still can see. That's the dolphin. Wait.
little character.
And then you got the dolphin guy, which we all have agreed is not a dolphin.
It looks like a fish.
So we're not sure what Disney's thinking when they say it was a dolphin, but hey, who are we? But that's how close that is. So guys, this is the Swan Reserve. This is George from Florida Parks After Dark. Listen, hit that subscribe button. Like us. Tell us what you like. We'll continue to push videos out, but you guys have a fantastic day. You guys take care.